Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Elite. And today we are actually replacing the hinge on the tailgate. I'm actually swapping it out with a locking tailgate, so no one can open up the tailgate without my keys. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So here is the existing tailgate hinge. Sorry, it's dirty, it's been raining. And I'm gonna replace it with this locking tailgate. So you can see there's a hole there for the lock, and the lock's actually in here. They give me 2 sets of keys. I wish I was able to make it with the same set as the truck, but it is what it is. So first step actually is to take this tailgate hinge off. So there's actually 3 screws back here, and you got to take those off, and that'll get you the freedom to get into this area here. Okay, so I got those slightly loose, and you don't want to take them all the way out, but then you take this decorative bezel off here, this guy here. All you got to do is pull down and these top pins come out, and then you pull on it and it pops right out of these holes right there. So we will no longer need that. The new locking mechanism, and you put the key in and you turn it, and what this is basically going to do is when we take out that bottom screw, this locking is actually going to slide up in here, right up underneath the bezel here. And what it's going to do is when it's in the locking position, it's not going to allow these pins to turn very much. So when you pull on the tailgate handle, it actually pulls these 2 rods in, which allows the tailgate to fall. So this, when it's unlocked, it allows you to do that. When it's locked, it won't allow you to do that. Okay, so the next step is to actually leave these top 2 bolts in, take this 3rd one out, because that's going to allow us to get the locking mechanism in here. As you can tell, that empty screw hole there, right there. Then we're gonna slide this up in here, and then that's gonna mount right there. So let me put that screw in there, and then we'll see what it does. Okay, now with this kit, they give you a new screw and a washer because the stock screw actually is rounded off, so it won't be able to grab the locking handle. So they gave me that screw, and that is currently holding our lock in position. So as you can tell, I cannot open the tailgate, but as soon as I grab the key, put in the key, turn it left, I'm able to open up the tailgate. Then when I lock it, put my key away, I cannot open it. And they gave us that new bezel so that way it slides over that screw hole there. And then this job is pretty much done. Alrighty, so our new bezel is in there and it lines right up with our lock. One last try, turn the key. It opens right up, and then shut it, lock it. You can open it up. And I have to say, the look doesn't look too terrible. Looks pretty good. I'm glad it, I mean, honestly, for me standing right here, you could barely see it. Obviously down here you can see it, but not too bad.